Hi, welcome to Cooking with Ali. Today's class will be on knife skills. So first of all, I'm going to show you the different types of knives you can use, some of the basic knives. First you have a paring knife. This is for if you learn to turn vegetables or clean them, or if you want to peel potatoes with a paring knife instead of a potato peeler. Next we have a boning knife right here. Okay, this boning knife is used for cleaning chickens with bones on, or clean the skin off the chicken, or taking the bones off of meat. Okay. Next we have a serrated knife. This is considered a bread knife. So if you have crusty bread and you're trying to slice through it, I like also using it for melons, watermelons, pineapples, because it cuts right through the skin a lot easier and it won't slide off as much as a regular chef's knife. Next we have a couple different types of chef's knives here. So you could use a 12-inch chef knife, a 10-inch, an 8-inch chef knife. Okay, so it usually depends on the comfort level. Usually when you have somebody who's really tall with really big hands, they're looking at a 12-inch chef knife. If you have someone smaller, they're looking for a smaller chef's knife. But again, it doesn't really matter, just as long as you're comfortable with what knife you love using. Okay. Normally you want to make sure you have a professional edge on it. The edge, you'll see really thin lining on your knife that's really shiny. Normally you take that to a knife store and they'll do it for you for $2 or $3. This is a steel, and this only cleans it up. It doesn't exactly sharpen your knife, but it cleans it. So if you got a 20-degree angle, you could put a nice clean edge onto your knife so that you can get back to cutting. Now, when holding your knife, most people that I see in kitchens, they're grabbing their knife like this by the handle, and they're chopping like this, and they're cutting, and they have no control. So if they were going to hit something, they would drop it, they would lose it, they could possibly move over and cut themselves. Okay? Now, when holding a knife, you're going to use your finger and your thumb right above the handle, right there, as you can see. This way, look at this. I have full control. I am not going to lose my knife, no matter what I do. I have control, and I'm not going to skip over and cut my finger. Okay? So let's try this out with a bell pepper here. We're going to slice the end off. Okay, like that. So with using the proper knife skills, as you can see, look how nice that is. I'm tucking my thumb in, tucking my fingers, I don't cut them. And look at that julienne. Look how clean, consistent that is. Okay? And again, look how fast you can go once you have the skill of the proper knife cutting. Again, it takes time to get that fast. If not, you just take your sweet time and go slow. You don't have to go fast. Take your time. But look how you balanced it. It's like it's on a roller and your fingers are tucked in. Now again, if I had my hand the wrong way, I have no control. So again, you want to make sure that you have full control by holding your knife properly. Again, here's control of your knife. Okay, and slice a nice mushroom. See how nice and consistent that is? Nice slices. There, one more time. Look at controlling my knife. Having this control, what I can do with it. Same thing with an onion. Just slice off the edges. Okay, take off the skin here. You don't have to be a professional chef in the kitchen. It's just little by little, you have full control, and it cuts the time of your cooking when you're prepping. So I cut my onion in half, and I can go really slow and julienne it. And look at the control that I have. Or if I don't have that skill level, I could just go really slow and slice it. But I have full control without cutting myself. Now if I'm professional, I can always go a little faster. Let's see how much control I have, no matter what. Okay, a little bit more control. And again, if I'm not professional, I can go slow, or I can slice it really thin. This is all about having the proper holding on your knife, okay? So if you hold it properly, you're never going to lose control of your knife, okay? This will be the end of our demonstration for today. Please look for our future demonstrations. Next one will be Chicken 101. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.